What is going on, guys? Today we got a brand new video. We're heading out somewhere in the middle of the boonies, because that's where we live, and we're going out for a little cruise with old friends. So probably going to strap the GoPro on my head. I have no idea what today's going to contain, but as always, I'm sure it's going to be filled with great fun blasting content. I've seen a lot of new guys come around this channel, and my percentages of non-subscribed to subscribed are quite insane. So if you haven't subscribed, you guys are watching a few videos, make sure to subscribe button. We're out in the beautiful North Shuswap. It's just filled because there's been kind of some flooding around here, and this boy looks like it's gonna flood too. So anywho, I have no idea what this road looks like, how it's gonna drive. He said they're very tight bendy, so alright, got a nice little ice mocha that tastes like caramel coffee of some sort. This is really, really good. Like, this is actually really good. Quick pit stop out here. Nice view, nice little spot. Been a pretty good drive so far. just grab some lunch. Then we're doing a little bit of highway driving. It's been a blast. I haven't done a cruise or a hard drive like that before, especially in my area, which is kind of interesting because I'm in like that area where we should have that kind of stuff, but I guess we don't. This baby is still going. 246,000 kilometers. Well guys, that's the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Hopefully that all turned out. It was super fun. We ended up by going to a classic car show there, which was actually pretty cool. And I mean, driving this car like that, I haven't done that in years, and it makes me realize how much more this thing needs to be dialed in. Like, I know all the coilover shocks are blown. The rear sway bar is obviously not connected. This thing needs alignment, and I'm pretty sure my front control arms have gone through their life and need to be done, so I'm gonna start looking at some options for that. And then obviously having the clutch at 250,000 kilometers doesn't make it easy to drive either, so things definitely need to be changed, but I'm looking forward to it. And doing stuff like that really makes me look into building the Miata into something that can really handle that stuff but still have fun with it. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much again. I will see you all soon when we continue building this baby. Keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.